my beautiful family and friends, and welcome, welcome, welcome to Coco's channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to everyone who has supported me in watching my channel, subscribing to my channel, liking, commenting, and sharing my channel. Now, if you're new to my page, guys, thank you again. But please click the subscribe button. And of course, that notification bell will notify you of any new and upcoming videos that are released. Okay? So thank you, thank you, thank you. So, moving forward to this video, I have tried out 2 different vacuum sealers to seal my meat that goes into, excuse me, guys, to seal the meat that goes into the freezer to prevent it from freezer burn. The first one I tried was a flop from Ollie's. It just was too much. It was just too much to deal with. It was too much. And the second one, I went to Kohl's and purchased it. And it was kind of sort of on that same order. It was a little bit bigger than that one, but it was just not efficient for me. So I Googled from America's Test Kitchen their favorite vacuum sealer. And their favorite vacuum sealer came up to be this one here, Nesco. That's Nesco. So today, that's what we're doing. We're going to do an unboxing of this Nesco vacuum sealer. All right, pull this baby out. All right, so this is everything in the box. All right, so please do not return this item to place of purchase. If you're missing any parts, have any issues with an operating this product, need replacement parts, call assistance customer service. All right. So this is the Nesco Deluxe Vacuum Sealer. It's a model VS-12. And the only thing that I can tell you that this vacuum sealer does not do is liquids. That one was just a little tad bit more expensive. But it does have the ability to seal your canisters as well. So you can seal canisters and if I'm not mistaken, you can seal delicate items. Yes, it's called a gentle setting. Soft or delicate items with less vacuum pressure is desired. Yes, so it does do that, but it does not have the liquids. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. So it says the sealing time. It says 3 settings for choosing the best bag sealing time. You have a dry setting, which is single sealing dry bags and items without moisture with a shorter heat sealing time. Then you have a moist setting. This is a single setting wet bags of foods with a little moisture. Okay, so that's just a little moisture. Has a longer heat sealing time. And then you have a double setting, which the double setting wet bags or foods with high moisture. Okay. All right. So maybe it does. So we're going to find out today. Not about the dry, not about the wet, but we're going to definitely use this today. It's going to be another video, but just stay tuned for that video. So we're just going to check out the actual sealer here by Nesco. All right. Do not lock the cover when not in use to avoid deformation of the sealing gaskets. All right. This one definitely is a whole lot bigger than either of the two that I've had. All right. Place that there. Okay, all right. Do not remove copper-colored tape from the sealing element. Okay. Okay. But I know you're supposed to remove this tape because that's masking tape, and that was probably just placed there for shipping purposes. All right. All right, so let's just look at this portion of it. It looks like a really big computer. So, I didn't get a... Let me just go through this. So number one is the vacuum seal cancel button. That will start automatic vacuuming and sealing, or press to cancel machine. So that's the one that says vac and seal, which is this big blue button here. Right there. And then we have the canister, which is this button right next to it, right there. And the canister for vacuum sealing canisters through a hose, and the accessories for the canister are sold separately. Number 3 is the sealing right here. So that's the one I just read to you guys, the 3 settings to choose for the best bag. So you have your dry, you have your moist, and then you have your double setting. Then number 4 is pressure. You have 2 settings for choice of different vacuum pressures. You have a normal, which is for a regular item storage with normal vacuum pressure, or you have gentle, and that's for the soft and delicate items when less vacuum pressure is desired. And it automatically defaults to normal. And then you have number 5, guys, which is a progress. And that's a numeric display right here that provides 2 functions. It shows the progress of the vacuuming by counting down the seconds. And then the second, it shows the device is on and the lid is closed. When the LED blinks, it says, please wait until it stays lit before starting the next operation. Okay, number 6 is the manual seal, and I love this because everything, you can just tell where every button is. So the manual seal, it says this button provides 2 functions: to seal the open end of the bag without vacuum. It says when the automatic vac and seal function is in operation, press the button to stop the vacuum and immediately start to seal the bag so that the vacuum pressure inside the bag can be controlled to avoid crushing delicate items. And number 7 is marinate, which is here. And this function is use the canister and tube and will vacuum in stages and slowly infuse the juices into the items being marinated. When the progress reaches 0, the items will be ready to cook or remain under vacuum pressure until the air in the canister is released. So again, that's the canister, which is something so separately. And then you have a pulse vacuum, and that's number 8, which is here, the red one. And this says you press this button to vacuum manually. You release the button to stop. Repeat the process until desired vacuum pressure is reached. Then press manual seal to complete the vacuum seal. Then you have number 9, which is the front handle, this right here. You lift to unlock and cover and open cover. Then number 10 is the hose port, which is this one right here, which is what I didn't receive. And this is the insert, the hose accessory when sealing in canisters, universal lids, bottle savers, and jar attachments. Those are also separately as well. Then you have the rubber sealing strip, which is number 11. So that is this piece here, guys. I don't know if you can see it because it's the color of everything. There you go. Right there. Right there and right there. Those are the rubber sealing. And it says place the bag to be sealed over this strip. Clean with a damp cloth and dry. Replace it when distorted or broken. And number 12 is the bag cutter. Okay, number 12 is the bag cutter. Okay, let's turn this baby around because this is a new bag cutter. So let me see where this bag, oh, It's way up here. Okay, and it moves nicely. Press and slide in any direction to cut bags to desired size. And then the cutter rack, number 13, is this part right here, guys, right here where you place your actual roll. That's the rack that it sits in. And then your foam gaskets. Keep air out by pressing with upper gasket in the vacuum chamber. Clean and dry and replace when distorted. Foam gaskets are number 14. So, number 14. Number 4. Oh, yeah, those are the same thing. Wait a minute, I think I lied. Number 14 are foam gaskets. Our rubber sealing, yeah, that was that up there. Keep air out by pressing with upper gasket. Okay, okay. Yeah, and then number 15 is our vacuum intake, which is this little bitty hole right here, if you can see that, right there. Air intake connects with vacuum chamber and pump. Do not cover air the intake when placing a bag for sealing. Then number 16 is the sealing element, which is this with the copper tape on top. And it says, do not remove. It says non-stick heating element that seals the bags. It says, do not remove the copper colored tape that is over the element. All right. And then number 17 is the actual vacuum chamber, which is this part here. It says position the open end of the bag in front of the black tabs inside the vacuum chamber. Chamber draws air out of the bag and catches any liquid overflow from the bag. And then number 18 is the bag storage, which is this big round place up here. So, guys, yes, I am excited. I'm excited. I am excited. So, yeah, this is it. This is by Nesco. It's not really heavy or anything like that. And I do believe if you pull it down, you push it down like so, guys, that locks it. And you lift it up and it unlocks. It says to do not lock it while you have it stored. And then here it's really nice because you have your cord. It just makes it secure with these here wraparound tools. And it has the 4 feet on the bottom. So it's really a nice piece. And I love the fact, guys, that it's so easy to read. I wonder if I turn it upside down. Let's see how that looks. The same, upside down. Yeah, so anyway, that's the Nesco, guys. And it is the deluxe vacuum sealer, and it's the model VS12. So we are going to use this to go ahead and vacuum seal some pieces. Not pieces, but some items of food, just to show you how it works in another video, not this one. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Nesco Deluxe Vacuum Sealer Model VS12. Okay, and until the next time, guys, don't forget to remain sweet and kind, okay? Thank you, and bye for now.